It's absolutely awful, and this corruption needs to stop because do you know what? Even if you hate the parents, that's all right. You're allowed to hate people, but don't impact the child just because you hate the parents. You might not agree with the way they do things, but don't base your judgment on them professionally on a personal feeling that you have. By all means, safeguard children. Stop abusing the parents. Stop abusing the children. When we start to fracture relationships in the household, it's not a win for a professional. That's a huge loss for a family. We need to be building connection. We need to be working together. It doesn't matter whether you choose them as a friend to go down the pub with. Your job is to support a family. And it's really, really important that we start coming together now. Times are going to get harder. We know that. With all the cost of living crisis and everything else, the one thing we can afford is humility, is respect for one another. And we really need to be working on that.